People often ask me when is a good time to repair or replace certain items in the home. Here's a list of the top ones to consider. At the top of the list is the top of your house, the roof. If it's 20 plus years old, get a professional opinion regarding its condition and need of repair. Up next, the furnace and air conditioning system. 15 to 20 years for the furnace and 10 to 15 years for the AC. Windows begin to cloud and lose their insulation properties around 15 to 20 years. Check and replace your smoke detectors around the 5-year mark. And carpet usually shows its wear in about 8 years, sometimes earlier with active kids and pets. Some people like to paint the exterior of their home, particularly the trim, every couple of years, but do consider repainting or retouching if it's been between 3 and 7 years. And finally, your wood decks and your kitchen appliances should be replaced if they are 10 to 15 years old. And there you go, the top repairs you should make whether or not you're selling your home. Have questions or would like a professional referral? Call or text me today.
If this information was helpful, check out my YouTube channel to see more videos and subscribe.